In the last few WeatherWise segments, I talked about satellites that Wallop's CDA facility controls. And this week, I'll introduce you to one that is a long way away from Earth called the Deep Space Climate Observatory, or Dscovr. Just about a year ago, in February of 2015, the Dscovr satellite was launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The satellite is now positioned 1 million miles from Earth and 92 million miles from the Sun.
This is at an orbit, it's called L1, and that's at the gravitational pull between the Sun and the Earth. And what it's doing, it's looking at the Sun to get to predict solar storms, solar flares.
Dscovr acts as a first line of defense from solar storms with an instrument called the Sun Observing Plasma Magnetometer. This instrument constantly measures solar winds and can give scientists a 15 to 60 minute heads up if there is a solar flare that could become a geomagnetic storm. This is highly important because these flares can cause damage or interruptions to many forms of technology as the solar winds impact the Earth and satellites in orbit. On the other side of the satellite, there are two Earth-observing instruments that provide a fantastic, complete view of the Earth and monitors variations in vegetation, ozone, aerosols, and clouds. In July of 2015, Dscovr captured this full image of the Earth, the first full image since Apollo 17 in 1972. 2 weeks after that, NASA released this set of images with the moon passing between Dscovr and the Earth, providing a rare look at the far side of the moon. The CDA facility in Wallops Island, Virginia, monitors and controls the satellite, which is not an easy task since the satellite is 1 million miles away and only 4.5 feet wide and 6 feet long. Thanks to the work that the crews at Wallops Island put in, we have continuous contact with this satellite that helps to provide us with an early warning of a possible damaging geomagnetic storm. Now, if you would like to learn more about this satellite or you want to see the latest images that Dscovr has taken, all you have to do is go to this site, epic.gsfc.nasa.gov.